Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and have a good health and ready for today's lesson. So let's start lesson. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Rabbi zidni ilma. Dear students, as you know, we was reading about the human heart. And we explore many interesting things about the human heart. I briefly explain all of this. So we read about the human heart, we read about its location, its function and its structure. In location, we read it is located in between the lungs and ribcage and sternum provided protection. It is made up of 4 chambers, upper chambers and lower chambers, arteria, ventricle, and its left side is separated by sternum from its right side. And then we read how it performs its function: the deoxygenated blood which is rich in oxygen and deoxygenated blood which is poor in oxygen, and oxygenated blood which is rich in oxygen. And the deoxygenated blood from the body move toward the right atrium, and bypassing through the right ventricle it reaches the lungs, where it removes carbon dioxide and absorbs oxygen. And then this oxygenated blood move toward the left atrium, and bypassing through the left ventricle it moved towards the body to perform its function. That's all we read. Now there is a small PK testing for you as usual, and I will show you the answer of this question at the end of today's slide. Here you have to fill these blanks by choosing the right answer. Provide blood to the heart: pulmonary artery, aorta, coronary artery. Which one of the following arteries contain deoxygenated blood? Pulmonary, aorta, coronary. The deoxygenated blood from the body enters to the left ventricle, right atrium or right ventricle. Okay, I will show you the answer of these questions at the end of today's slide. So dear students, now open page number 17 from your books and show your date and classwork on the top of page. And on page number 17 where we left, and now move toward the next question. Question number 2 is solve the crossword puzzle with the help of given clues. So in this question they gave some clues here, and we have to solve these puzzle with the help of these clues. Okay, the first one is the control center of the cell. This is nucleus. The largest artery of your body is, this is aorta. Across mean in this direction. Okay, this is across and this is down. So first we are solving across all these one. Okay, this and this one. So the largest artery of your body is aorta. Bone structure that protect the heart, of course, rib cage. Blood rich in oxygen, very easy, oxygenated. Okay, and now we are solving the downward. Okay, the lower chamber of the heart, ventricle. Artery which provide blood to the heart, coronary artery. A muscular wall which separate the right part of the heart from the left part is septum. The upper chamber of the heart, as here they read they asked about chamber, not chambers. अगर उन्होंने chambers पूछा होता तो हम arteria लिखते. Atrium, arteria की singular है, ठीक है, तो here atrium. Okay, have you done this? Now move next. On page number 18 there are some questions. The first question, write the function of each of the following. So write the function of pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, in briefly we will write that function: transfer the blood from heart to lungs. Okay, it's mean if there is heart and here are lungs, make it again. Then here is the pulmonary artery which transfer the blood, take the blood from, I show you with another color, it take blood from take blood and move it to the lungs, and pulmonary vein transfer the opposite of pulmonary artery. ये pulmonary artery के opposite काम करेगी and it takes transfer blood from lungs to the heart this way. Okay, aorta transfer blood from the heart to all parts of body. ठीक है, इसमें आपने ये नहीं लिखना it is the largest artery of the human body. इसमें आप लिखेंगे it transfer the blood from the heart to all parts of human body. Okay, now next coronary artery. ये सारी चीज़ें हम इतनी बार पढ़ चुके हैं कि अब आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Supply blood to the heart muscle. Next they gave some terms and we will tell the meaning of these words. Oxygenated blood rich in oxygen, which contain more oxygen. The blood rich in oxygen is called oxygenated blood. And deoxygenated blood, the blood which is poor in oxygen, less amount of oxygen. Okay, so oxygenated and deoxygenated. Next, on page number, we solve the page number 19 and we will solve till here. Okay, the next question we will read in next slide. Okay, so हमने आज यहाँ तक कंप्लीट किया है, तो आप ये क्वेश्चन यहीं तक ही याद करेंगे. एंड नाउ आई विल शो यू योर डायरी along with the answer of questions which I show you in the start of today's slide. Okay, तो आपने ये क्वेश्चन ध्यान से याद करने हैं, इनको अच्छे से, और स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी इन क्वेश्चंस में, तो आपने इसको कोशिश करें कि लिख के याद करें ताकि आपकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक ना हो. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको डायरी शो करती हूँ. सो हेयर इज़ द डायरी. लर्न पेज नंबर 17, 18 एंड 19. ओके, बहुत थोड़ा सा लेसन है, घबरा नहीं जाना कि 3 पेजेस हैं, 3 पेजेस पे बहुत थोड़ा सा लेसन है. तो हेयर द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर coronary artery which supply blood to the heart muscles, and pulmonary artery which contain deoxygenated blood, and the right atrium which receive blood from the body. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. अच्छे से लेसन याद करिएगा, अच्छे बच्चे बनिएगा. यू आर गुड स्टूडेंट्स, सो आपने अच्छे से लेसन याद करना. इफ़ यू आर बैड देन यू विल नॉट. ओके, बट आई थिंक सो यू ऑल आर गुड. सो वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.